That would be hard to give. Do you want to kick the football? No chance you're gonna get it in there.
Somebody won't hold me, the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. She was looking kind of dumb with her finger and a thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead.
Hi guys, we're gonna make a video today, and guess what it is? We're going camping. I'm not going. We're going to Smith's. Yeah, we are. We're going to Smith's today to hunt for some Endgame sets. So that's good. We're going to go hunt for some Endgame sets. I'm looking for the Iron Man Hall of Armor in the Captain America bike one. I don't know the name of it. But my phone is nearly dead, so I'm charging it, but we're going to go soon, so it's on quite a low battery. So I'm not going to be able to record that much, but I'll still record. So we're going to go hunt. Apparently on the website they're not in stock yet, but I don't know. I'm going to go look. Some people are saying that they are, but on the website it doesn't say that they are. So we're going to go look, me, Gabe. Comment down below, whatever you like, and then subscribe, of course, and then notification bell, and then you'll get to see all my awesome videos and won't be depressed. Yeah, pretty good. See you there. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. We're making a YouTube video now. Well, we're not. It's just me, because I'm all alone. We're going to get some stuff. We're on a hunt. We got some stuff the other day, but I didn't record that. Alright, there's the shop here. Hello there.
Where you want to go? Lego.
Yeah, Lego. Obviously, this has changed. This is so changed. Oh my god, I've not been here for ages. God, you see all this? There's Rex. Oh my god, there's all the bobbleheads. Look at all the golden ones. Yesterday at Forbidden Planet, they had like all the golden ones. It was awesome. Hang on, right. Rocket irons. Ooh, there's 2 iron spiders. Ooh, and there's 2 Doctor Stranges. That's bad luck. I don't know if it is bad luck. There's Captain Marvel, and then there's... Whoa, Bucky Barnes. Then we've got Ronin. Ronin's there. Whoa!
Come on.
These are actually quite good. I know he was. Right, everything. I found Elmo. Wow, Elmo. Come on, let's go, Elmo. Come on, Elmo. What's over here? Where's all the good stuff? I will kill you. I don't know where the good stuff is. Like, I obviously don't want Roblox. That's something like Ollie D would play. I'm just joking. Ollie D doesn't actually play Roblox. Here it is. The Lego. Mom, all the Legos here, but this is all Playmobil. And no one likes Playmobil. No offense to Playmobil. Actually, yeah, offense. I'm just joking, obviously. I didn't do that. That was you. I've got it on camera. I've got camera evidence that Gabe did it.
That was still an accident. Just because.
It was Gabriel though. I'm actually gonna kill him. Oh, you joking?
Are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording.
Put it there. Lay it. That's it.
What? Right, here's the Lego. Back to Lego. Whoa. That's cool. The Milano. 70 quid. What? Ooh. The name's Bond. Dude, James Bond.
Funny, but I get kicked.
Vunny. My name's not Vunny. It's Vinny. The Joker Manor. I've not got that set. Just like go around naming every set you've got. Oh! I don't know. Just go away, please. Cool, go away. I paid 70 quid for that. So mad now. I shouldn't have. I should have waited. Ooh, 30 quid. 30 quid. Ooh, very nice. That's an alright price. What? I paid 20 quid for that? Shut up.
No.
Comment if you want Gabriel to shut up.
Vinny.
What?
Vinny.
No.
Vinny.
84.99.
Vinny.
I paid 100 quid for that,
Vinny.
man. What?
Hi.
Hi. Mum, we've totally been ripped off. Come here. You seen that, Mum? Mum, you seen that?
It's a number.
89.99. We paid 120 for it. Oh, I've not got this set actually. 13.99. Oh God, that's a good price. But here we are.
£20.
£20. Wow. I actually really want that set.
You can get that.
I really want the space plate as well.
You can get it if you want.
I can't. Because I don't want it right now. I want it later because I'm getting something else today. Oh yeah.
Lego is
Poo and a sweeper. Getting a Lego set, but I've not got one right now because I'm gonna have to decide which one I'm gonna get. So I'm just gonna go look and see what else there is. Hopefully I can find some other stuff I want. But I've only got 80 quid with me at the minute. But I'll probably have some more money because it's my birthday next week, so I'll obviously be uploading then. And holidays coming around, so that's good. So I'll be recording with him probably. Ooh, I might get this for my birthday. No, I could get this for my birthday. Little unicorn. That sounded weird. Little unicorn. Still don't know what I want to get. Oh God, that would be hard to give. Do you want to kick the football? No chance you're gonna get it in there.
Field.
Oh, that looks awesome. I'm still not getting it though. Whoa, look at that. Iron Man. Iron Man. Yeah, Thanos. Iron Men. Plural. There's Thanos, and then bobbleheads again. Damn, bobbleheads. Okay, this is getting quite boring. Ooh, the DC Riddler. It's like MC Riddler. Let's never say that again. Oh, Gabe, look. What is it? What is it?
Little Pikachu.
Little Pikachu.
How cute is he?
Ooh, what should I go to the shop and buy? Oh yes, an old man with a beard. Ooh, Godzilla. This looks very promising. And his name is Kurt Angle. Which one's that? I don't even know. That's Kurt Angle.
I don't know.
Are you a fan of wrestling? Minecraft. Look guys, all around. It's Minecraft. We're back! It's awesome. Right. I've built the sets. So the first one, I'm not gonna like review them or anything. Maybe later. the Captain America bike. And then this is what we got. The Iron Man Hall of Armor. Look at this dude. Got an Iron Man Hall of Armor there. Quite cool. Here are the boxes. We also got this. So. Right, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and hit the notification bell and you won't be depressed. And comment down below if you like my new intro. I love it. So yeah. I mean the Lego City. If you just didn't notice. So my Outriders. Right, so bye, and I'll see you all in the next video. Sorry I've not uploaded for a while, just been working on some other stuff. Hopefully Ollie Day will be in some of my next videos because it's my birthday soon.
In 3 days, 4 days.
5 days, 6 days, 7 days, I don't know, I think it's 6 days.
5 days.
6 days. Right, so see you and goodbye. Say bye, Mum.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.